Hey guys, let's jump into our second day of figurative language with a quick review. Remember, figurative language is when you don't mean exactly what you say. Yesterday we talked about similes, which is when we compare two unlike things using those words like or as. So you have to watch Jesse carefully since he's as sly as a fox. Okay, we're comparing Jesse and a fox. Her eyes are like diamonds glittering in the light. You're comparing her eyes and diamonds, okay? Today we are going to look at metaphors, okay? This is when we compare two unlike things and we don't use like or as. We usually call one thing another, or you say that one thing is something else, okay? So some tips here. Usually these are going to contain the be verbs such as am, are, is, was, and were. They can be changed into a simile by just adding like or as, okay? And the comparison should be obvious or it should be explained, okay? Now if I could just get this to work. So think about this. Dad is a monster in the morning before he drinks his coffee. Is your dad really a monster? No, but I'm saying that he is. We're comparing dad and a monster, okay? What two things are being compared? My brother is a night owl. We're comparing your brother and an owl, okay? The nurse was an angel. We're comparing the nurse and an angel. Next, we have Kenny is such a pig. I have to say it like that, right? Kenny is, okay, a pig. We're comparing Kenny and pig. Today's song is going to be One Thing by One Direction. Oh my gosh, the best, right? So this one, shot me out of the sky, you're my kryptonite, okay? Are you actually that chemical kryptonite? No, but that is a metaphor, okay? Harry, the best One Directioner, right, is saying the girl is like his kryptonite, okay? If you know anything about Superman, kryptonite is the one thing Superman cannot deal with, okay? It's the one thing that takes away his strength, and Harry is saying that he likes the girl so much that he's getting weak, okay? All right, let's jump into our show it. All right, when you use figurative language, do you say exactly what you mean? No, you don't. Okay, so if I'm saying it's raining cats and dogs, I'm not saying there's actually cats and dogs coming out of the sky. A metaphor is where you compare two unlike things using like or as. Is that true? That is false. That's a simile because when we use like or as, it's a simile. What objects are being compared in the sentence below? His voice is music to our ears. We're comparing voice, okay, and music, all right? What two things are being compared here? You are a pig. We're comparing you, no offense, and a pig. My brother is a night owl, okay? Brother and an owl. Now I want you to write a metaphor about yourself. Remember, you have to be creative and original. Write a complete sentence. Two things that are completely different. So don't say, I am a good student. That's not one, okay? I am a bookworm. Are you actually a bookworm? No, you're not a worm, but you're saying you are. That would be a metaphor, okay? I'm also going to post a quizzes on Buzz so you guys can practice identifying simile or metaphor. If you have any questions, please let me know.